Chapter 12. Plants around us. You might have seen different kinds of plants around you. They can be divided into three main groups on the basis of their shapes and sizes: trees, shrubs, and herbs. Trees. Some plants grow very tall and big, like coconut and gulmohar. They are called trees. They have a thick brown woody stem called the trunk. Most plants are green in color, but a few may be yellow, red, or even purple. Most of the trees have many branches. They live for many years. A banyan tree can live for many years. A number of trees grow in forests: mango, coconut, banyan. Some trees like neem and peepal shed their leaves every year. They are called deciduous trees. Some trees like mango and banyan remain green throughout the year. They are called evergreen trees. Do you know? Banyan tree is our national tree. The redwood is the world's longest tree. Shrubs. Plants with thin stems are called shrubs. They are small and bushy plants with many branches. They live for a few years. Rose, mehndi, and bougainvillea are a few examples of shrubs. Rose, mehndi. Herbs. They are very small plants as compared to trees and shrubs. They have green and soft stems. They live for one season only. Coriander, mustard, spinach, mint, and aloe vera plants are some examples of herbs. Coriander. Spinach. Some plants have weak stems and need support to grow. Plants with weak stems can be divided into two groups: climbers and creepers. Climbers. A money plant and a bean plant have weak stems. They cannot stand straight. Such plants either grow along the ground or grow up using a support. They are climbers. Money plant, bean plant. Creepers. Plants like watermelon and pumpkin have weak stems, and they grow along the ground. They cannot stand straight on their own because they usually bear heavy fruits. Watermelon, pumpkin. Plants grow everywhere. Plants are found almost everywhere in different climates. They grow on mountains, in deserts, on land, in water, and even in the ice-covered areas. According to the place of growth, plants can be broadly grouped as terrestrial plants that grow on land and aquatic plants that grow in water. Terrestrial plants. Desert plants. Plants like cactus and date palm grow well in deserts, where temperatures are very high but rainfall is scanty. The leaves of a cactus plant are reduced to spines to prevent water loss. The stem is green and prepares food for the plant. Cactus. Date palm. Plants in hills and forests. Trees like birch, alpine, and willow grow in the mountains covered with snow. Hilly areas are covered with tall coniferous trees with sloping branches and needle-like leaves. Trees like oak and maple grow well in forests where the summers and winters are very mild. Alpine tree. Willow tree. Aquatic plants. Plants like lotus, water lily, and water hyacinth grow only in water. They are called aquatic or water plants. Hydrilla and tape grass are submerged plants. They grow underwater. They have small and narrow leaves. Duckweed and pistia are examples of floating plants. They do not have well-developed roots. Lotus, water hyacinth. Uses of plants. Plants are our friends because they help in our survival and make our life better. Plants keep the air fresh. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is necessary for both humans and animals to survive on the earth. Seeds of some plants like groundnut and mustard are crushed to extract oil, which is used for cooking. All the fruits, vegetables, food grains, cereals, pulses, and spices that we eat are obtained from plants. We eat leaves of some plants such as spinach, cabbage, mint, etc. Curry leaves make our food tasty. Some leaves like tulsi, neem, and mint have medicinal value. Plants like cotton and jute are a source of fiber. We make cloth from such fibers. We make dyes using parts of plants like beetroot, henna or mehndi and indigo. Plants also give us wood for making furniture. The resin obtained from the rubber plant is used for making items like eraser, rubber bands, etc. Flowers such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfume. Some plants are kept indoor. They add to the beauty of our homes. Seeds of plants like black pepper and cardamom are used as spices, which add taste and color to the food. Thus, plants are our friends because they provide us with several things like wood, food, fiber, medicines, oxygen, rubber, etc. Do you know? Molds and mushrooms are non-green plants. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Key words: shrubs, small plants with thin stems. Herbs, small plants with soft green stems. Climbers, plants with weak stems that need support to grow upwards. Creepers, plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. Let's remember. There are different types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Shrubs are smaller plants than trees. Trees have a thick brown woody stem called trunk. According to the place of growth, plants can be grouped as terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Plants are useful to us in many ways.